Did you know you started as one in a billion? You fought your very first battle to exist, and you won. Before you took your first breath, you survived in water, growing stronger every day, listening to the world you were about to enter. Then came that big transition, from water to air. You fought for that first gasp of oxygen, and you did it. You've been a fighter since birth. But here's the thing, none of us are the same. We're like the fingers on a hand, each one unique in length and form. Yet when we close those fingers to make a fist, we become one, stronger together than alone. We each have different abilities. Find yours early, pursue it, master it, and watch your life become a beautiful journey rather than a struggle. When passion drives you, what you do feels like freedom, not work. Remember, love all and care for all. We all have a story, each as extraordinary as the next. From birth to our final breath, we're winners at heart. Let's stand together, like a fist, and make this world a more united, joyful place. You are a winner. Embrace it, share it, and never forget it. Follow for more inspiration, because your story is just beginning.